Are you considering Atlas VPN? Before you hit that buy button, there are 12 things you need to know. In a crowded VPN market with competitors like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost, it's important to understand how Atlas VPN stacks up. Stick with me until the end to get a complete picture of whether this VPN is right for you. Next thing, Atlas VPN offers strong security, but it's not as feature-packed as some of the top competitors. It provides AES 256 encryption, which is industry standard, but doesn't offer some of the advanced security features that competitors like NordVPN offer, such as double VPN or Onion over VPN. If you're looking for robust security layers, Atlas VPN might fall short. The third thing, one of Atlas VPN's selling points is its speed. Unlike some VPNs that slow down your connection significantly, Atlas VPN offers decent speeds, especially for streaming and browsing. However, compared to ExpressVPN, its speeds can be a bit more inconsistent, especially when connecting to distant servers. Next thing, Atlas VPN has a simple interface, making it beginner-friendly. If you're not tech-savvy, you'll appreciate the ease of use, but advanced users might find it a bit limiting. Features like split tunneling and a kill switch are present, but don't have the same level of customization as some other VPNs in the market. The fifth thing, the server network is smaller than that of top competitors. While it covers essential regions such as the US, UK, and some parts of Europe, it's not as expansive as NordVPN or CyberGhost. This can affect your options for accessing content from different countries. Next up, pricing. Atlas VPN is definitely budget-friendly, especially when compared to more established VPNs. With affordable long-term plans, it's one of the cheaper VPNs on the market, making it appealing to those looking for a cost-effective option. However, remember that you're often getting what you pay for. The seventh thing, Atlas VPN supports streaming on services like Netflix and Disney+, so you'll be able to access content from other regions. However, streaming reliability isn't always guaranteed. Unlike the top-tier VPNs, such as ExpressVPN, Atlas VPN can sometimes struggle to bypass geo-restrictions on certain platforms. The eighth thing, Atlas VPN has a no-logs policy, which means it doesn't track your online activity. While this sounds reassuring, it's worth noting that their privacy policy is a bit vague compared to the detailed, transparent policies of competitors like NordVPN. So while they claim no logs, you'll need to trust their word on this one. The ninth thing, Atlas VPN supports all major platforms like Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. It also offers browser extensions, but again, its range of devices supported is smaller compared to competitors. If you need VPN coverage for more obscure devices, you might want to look elsewhere. The 10th thing, customer support is decent, but it doesn't match up to top competitors. Atlas VPN offers 24/7 live chat support, but response times can be slower compared to premium VPNs. There's also a limited knowledge base if you prefer self-help. The 11th thing, Atlas VPN does have a free plan, which is a huge advantage for anyone who wants to try before committing. The free version is quite limited though. It only allows access to a few servers and has a data cap. Still, it's a great way to test it out before you pay for the premium version. The 12th thing, while Atlas VPN is a solid option for basic VPN needs, it does fall behind in a few areas compared to its bigger competitors, like security features and server options. But it's a good choice if you're looking for a simple, cost-effective VPN without needing advanced features. Atlas VPN is a solid VPN, but if you're looking for something more comprehensive, check out our recommended solution that offers a full feature set, faster speeds, and a better overall experience. You can try it for free to see for yourself,